Hello you are all welcome to this channel again. Once again, here is Prince Graphics. So today we are going to see how to brighten up your image, how to make your image so beautiful like this. So let's go to our Photoshop, and please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. So let's bring out our image. So the image you are going to brighten up, so we are going to use the adjustment to play with the colors in this image to make them brighter. So you need to, in the main menu, you need to go to the image and then you click on adjustment and then you choose brightness and contrast, and then you set the contrast, the brightness to around 45 and contrast to around 20, and you click OK. So the brightness value increase the highlight, whilst the contrast value also make it bright areas brighter and the dark areas also darker. Okay, so you need to increase the brightness and then you set the contrast to also around 20. Set the contrast to around 20. Please kindly subscribe to this channel as well and like this video. And then after setting this up, and then you choose on the, you click on the okay, and then adjust the vibrance slider. So you need to add a vibrance, and then that one too, you need to go to the main menu and then you choose the image and then adjustments, and then you choose vibrance. Okay, then you choose vibrance. So adjust the vibrance slider to around 40. Set it to around 40 plus 40, and then you set the saturation to around plus 10. Set the saturation to around plus 10. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you are facing any problem, please kindly drop your comments, and also watch our previous videos more about graphics and also how to get more font on your Photoshop. Okay, if you want to get more fonts to use on your designs, kindly check my previous videos. So this is the outcome, and this one is the main image, that's the old one, and this is the outcome. This is after the brightness. Okay, kindly subscribe to this channel, Prince Graphics, and also like, share, subscribe. Drop your comments if you are facing any issue. Drop your comments. See you in the next video.